Hey guys, OPPO Find X was a futuristic smartphone with an incredible design. Now OPPO Find X2 is expected to get announced in MWC 2020. The company revealed the news to various media houses at the sidelines of the OPPO Inno Day 2019. The company is planning to launch a new device with Snapdragon 865 SoC. This upcoming phone is now confirmed to be the Find X2, the successor of the Find X phone launched in 2018. So let's talk about the specs of OPPO Find X2. But before that, if you're watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to OPPO Find X2. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. According to a recent report, the device will boast ultra-fast wireless charging with a power of 50 watts, which is quite impressive. OPPO Find X2 will also receive a new 7nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with an X55 5G modem, so it will have 5G support. OPPO has already showcased its 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charge technology. It remains to be seen whether the Find X2 come with faster or improved version of 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 flash technology. The OPPO Find X could come with a portless design and an in-display camera. To talk about its display in specific, the Find X2 will offer high resolution, wide dynamic range, better refresh rate and color reproduction. It will be equipped with a 120 Hz AMOLED screen and a camera module developed jointly with Sony. It will have an enlarged sensor size for better photosensitivity as well as all pixel omni-directional PDAF technology. So the camera department looks interesting. OPPO Find X2 is due to debut in the first quarter of 2020. The flagship will compete with other top-end devices on the market. Currently, it's all that we know about the OPPO Find X2, but in the upcoming days, we will definitely get more information about this OPPO Find X2. So stay tuned for that. With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.